Well, I'm Judy. I live in Naples, have lived there for 30 years. I started coming to see Darlene and Bill probably about 7 years ago, maybe. The type of hearing issue probably is something that developed little by little over a certain number of years, because initially I didn't recognize it as much, and I had tried a couple of different situations and they were uncomfortable and I didn't like them. The hearing was awful. I was fortunate enough to find Darlene and Bill, and this is a much better situation for me, and they're lovely people and very friendly and helpful and compassionate, and I'm happy. Without the hearing aids, I would really be in a pickle because I would not hear all the things. I would miss an awful lot. So it's better to have them and to be able to hear as best I can, rather than deal with, not being part of a conversation, not hearing what people say across a room, not knowing what's going on around me. That would definitely be a detriment. Bill and Darlene both make the transition to hearing aids a much easier process than anyone or any place else that I have been to. Hearing issues are a very personal, private kind of a medical issue. If you have a broken arm, everybody knows you have a broken arm. You go to a doctor and they fix it. A hearing aid is something that people don't see and don't truly understand if they don't have a hearing issue of their own. And knowing that someone is sensitive to your feelings is very important. And I believe that there is a lot of that right here. Bill and Darlene are both very compassionate people and sensitive to the needs of their patients, and I would easily recommend them, which I have done in the past.